What imaginary line divides Earth into the northern and southern hemispheres? Equator. What instrument measures atmospheric pressure? Barometer. What branch of science studies earthquakes and seismic waves? Seismology. What is molten rock beneath Earth's surface called? Magma. What process allows green plants to convert light energy into chemical energy? Photosynthesis. What gas makes up the largest share of Earth's atmosphere? Nitrogen. What term describes an object's resistance to a change in motion? Inertia. Which country uses this uniquely shaped national flag? Nepal. What process moves water across a semi-permeable membrane toward a higher solute concentration? Osmosis. What boundary around a black hole marks the point beyond which nothing can escape? Event horizon. What is the farthest point from the Sun in an object's orbit called? Aphelion. What is the largest planet in our solar system? Jupiter. What is the largest organ of the human body? Skin. Which sentence is correct? A. They're going to the park. B. They're going to the park. B. There. What phase change turns a solid directly into a gas? Sublimation. What term describes an animal that is mainly active at night? Nocturnal. What is a word with the same or nearly the same meaning as another word called? Synonym. This square national flag belongs to which country? Switzerland. What is the smallest unit of language that carries meaning? Morpheme. What form of government is headed by a king or queen? Monarchy. Which element is represented by this chemical symbol? Gold. What literary device gives human qualities to animals, objects, or ideas? Personification. What term describes an organism that eats both plants and animals? Omnivore. What is this shape of the moon called? Crescent moon. What is the longest bone in the human body? Femur. Which word is spelled correctly? A. Accommodate. B. Accommodate. B. Accommodate. What market structure is controlled by a small number of major sellers? Oligopoly. Which word is the opposite of abundant? A. Scarce. B. Frequent. A. Scarce. Which sentence uses fewer correctly? A. There are fewer cars today. B. There is fewer traffic today. A. Fewer cars. What term describes a general rise in the prices of goods and services over time? Inflation. What word describes a statement that appears self-contradictory but may still reveal a truth? Paradox.